everyone. Thanks for warm welcomings. This is my first time in Jakarta, so I'm very happy to be here, and I'm so proud to be here with all of you guys. So today I'll be talking about unlocking the power of AI agent with ADK and MCP toolset. So first of all, let me sound check. Any one of you have been using ADK for developing AI agent? Or you guys are totally new to ADK? New? Okay. So basically ADK is the framework for building AI agent. It's like we build our own ChatGPT or Gemini for our organization or our personal use. For example, we want our personal assistant that have our own information. The framework is come from many angles that can support you through the journey of building agents, from define the scope of agent to building tools and running on the web simulators, and then you can run local, also deploy as well. So you can see here the framework of the ADK support is combine multiple things that build up for you. So basically you can build agent more easier without no need to have a trouble with session management or deployment or evaluation. So yeah, since all of you many people said you are on quite new to ADK, so a little bit give you a background. So right now ADK can make you build multiple of scope of the AI agents. So when you come to the Google agent landscape, you can build for example data science agent that can answer the question about data science, can help you analyze data, or you can build a customer service agent or travel agent. So this ADK can do for you. So currently ADK is support for 3 languages. The first one is Python and Go, and the last one is Java. So I think basically more people will build the ADK using Python language. So it's very simple. When you first start, you just need to run the pip install ADK, and then you will get the ADK command in your code and in your terminals. So once you do the pip install Google -ADK, in your terminal you can type ADK, and it will come up a lot of commands create agent, deploy agent, evaluate agent, or ADK web for start up the agent simulator. So this is the topic, the diagram that show the ADK framework. So basically once you build it, you will have the agent here that when answer your agent a question, it can think and it can define what to do with user question, what it should use the tool to answer that question, and then it will generate the result for your user. So basically if your agent have tools search for website, then your agent can search for website and gather that answer to your user. So the goal is today I want to give you the exploration of multiple tool set of the ADK, for example the data tool set or the MCP tool set and or Google tool set. Okay. So here is a simple code of the ADK. So when you install it, you will write the instruction of your agent. For this, you can see it have the parameter in the code is a waiter agent. It's just the class how you define your agent in Python code. So basically, all your agent will consist of these 3 things. The first thing is the models. So with the Google ADK, you can select large language model, whatever you want. You can select Gemini, OpenAI, or other as well. and then to make the agent behave in the way that you want it to behave. For example, you want the retail agent that can search the product for you, or like you want the travel agent that can find the hotel for your customer. Then you will need to define very clear instruction like what you want your agent to do. And the third thing is the tool for your agents. This means like you give the pathway for your agent to interact with external system. For example, your agent without tool is just like the large language model with the command, right? It cannot do anything on your behalf. Like for example, you ask, hey, can you get the information from that website for me? And your agent will maybe like say no, or maybe like fake the data. It's called hallucination. But with tool, it will come with more effective. So let's just come to the demo. So I will like go to the demo screen to like give you the example of like the real code, what it look like. So this is my terminal. So I'm right now like on the part of like ADK playground, and in this ADK playground is I type ls, I will see like you will see like I have like 3 agents right now. Like the first one, Airbnb, Looker, data agent, and new agent, which I will demo today. But to create the agent, you just like ADK create, and you can like type I will type my new agent. Okay, ADK. I typed something wrong. Create. Okay, so it will select like how you want to like use the model for your agent. So here you can see like when I run the command ADK create my new agent, it asks me like what I want the model for my agent. So I want the Gemini, and I will use like the Google AI. So here I can pass the Google AI key for my agent, which I will pass it later. Okay, I just like here X, and let me open the code for you. So you can see now like with the command ADK create, it create the folder structure of my agent very quick. So you can see I just type the ADK create, right? And now like the folder of the ADK agent is show up right here with the basic agent instruction that you can improve. Okay, so let's run and see. Okay, so I will clean up first. And to start the ADK web, before ADK, you know, like to build the web front end like this, like the chat web, to test your agent, it take a lot of time. You have to do it your own, like using like tools, Python code like Gradio if you build AI agent before, you know. But with ADK, it's like very simple. Like you just run the command ADK web, and then you get like all the agent in your folder right here, and you also get my new agent here. But what I'm gonna test is the new analysis agent. So I will ask is like what is the latest Gemini version? Okay. So this is the ADK web framework. So here you can see like I ask is like what is the latest Gemini version. Even Gemini itself, it answer wrong. You all know, right? The Gemini 3 is just have because why? Even Gemini itself, this one, I'll show you the code. So this one, the new analysis agent, it used Gemini 2.5 Flash. But at that time when Flash 2.5 Flash was trained, right, is what pre-trained. So it's only know that it don't know the latest update. So that's why we need to give it a tools so that it can get the latest data to show it for us. So let's give it a Google search tool, okay? So here in our ADK command, I have like import Google search tool. So I will uncomment this so that I can give this agent the Google search tool. I will cancel and run the ADK web again. Okay. And now I will select the new analysis 7 and I will ask what is the latest version of Gemini. Okay. So now like it's thinking. Here you can see now like it's the answer is much more better, right? It's like answer now correctly, like Gemini 3 Pro, like and it's just like announced release on 20 November. This is the power of the tools. Without tool, agent will be just like the person with intelligence but not updated knowledge, you know. So prompt is important. Tools also important. Anyone heard about context engineering? Maybe because in the early of this year, January, February, we all say like prompt engineering very important to make AI smart. But now is when AI have tool is turned to context engineering, like how to use your tool properly, how to pass your tool to agent properly. This is what we just done. Like with result without tool, AI can be hallucination, and with tool it get more accuracy. So here you see obviously the power of the tools. The tools can help AI prevent hallucination because it will get the latest update data. It will have the reference to the data, what it get the data for. And then the last important thing of the tool is that you get the exact data of your organization to serve to the user who use your AI agent. Okay, so now with the tool, the life cycle of the agent is changed. It's like now when user ask question, it will perceive and think like, oh, what tool I should use. So yeah, Gemini will think every time like the ADK when user say something, right? Instead of answer right away, it then will reasoning and think of like this question, what tool should I use to answer to the user? And then it will run to the tool, and after it get the response from tool, it will use that data to summarize to final answer to user. So you may ask like, then how many tools we have with agent development kit? I can say like a lot, exactly. This is the page of agent development kit. So basically you get the tool of the Google search, what I just demo to you. You get the tool of code execution, and you can get the tool of like every infrastructure that you have in Google. For example, you want your agent to answer the question from BigQuery, from Cloud SQL, you can get it because Google have the pre-built tool for you. So here is the list of the tools that you can connect your AI agent with agent development kit. So the first one is the built-in tool, like you can build your own function. I will go one by one. So the built-in tool is like you build your own function. Just simple like that, like how you want to respond to your agent every time. You can just build. So this is properly for if your data context is like not huge. Like for example, like I have the function like find menu, and I want to write my own logic like how to find menu, something like that. Or like you can write your own logic like how to calculate the VAT, the tax if you want build financial agent, right? Another thing is what we just demo the Google Cloud tool like Google Search. So this is also good. But from my perspective, like if you build the agent for your organization, so MCP tool is more effective because you get your connect to your personal data, your organization data. Another thing is a third-party tool because we have this because ADK just like announced this year, and LangChain is a way far long developed before, right? So Google provide you a choice that you can select the tools from other agent development platform like LangChain, Crew AI. Also can be this. And this what we're gonna do on this session is the model context protocol. It's very popular. Everybody uses it all the time, even in the agent development or even in the your own coding assistant. And the last one is open API tools. This like if you already have the API and you want to connect your API to the AI agent, you just write the specification of that API and throw it to your agent. Then now your agent will know how to call the API. So you no need to build the API or the function like newly from the scratch. If you have the API already, you can use this open API too. Okay, so let's go to tools that we focus for our agent today. Model context protocol tools. So anyone use model context protocol or build a model context protocol? Yeah, I know. You might try to raise your hand up, but I know you use MCP because it's very popular. So to give you a simple explanation, it's just like you connect the functionality to your agent like USB-C. If you want AI agent of you to have which functionality, for example, I have Gmail MCP. I want my agent to capability of send Gmail. I just plug that MCP to my agent, like plug in the USB-C. It's a way of like simplify the definition. So what the capability you want for your AI agent, you find that MCP and you plug into your agent. Okay, so the real architecture gonna be like this. Because in the last session we talk about like agent, right? Our agent have model, instruction, and tools. So like we can have tool list, and our tool list can also be the MCP. And each MCP will come with like multiple tools. For example, one MCP inside that MCP will have multiple tools come with it, and it already like written completely. You just plug because the MCP builder they write the manual how to use the tool already. Like you just like give your agent with one box of tools that have the manual, everything, and your agent know how to use it. So how to find the MCP, right? So you can find is a MCP marketplace, or you can find is in Google. So today, what I bring to demo to you is a MCP tool of Airbnb and Line. Do you know Line application? Yes, I know. In Thai, you know, the live chat in Thai is very popular. Like here, you guys use WhatsApp, right? in Thai, we use Line all the time to chat to everything. Okay. So the first one, let's go to the first one first. The Airbnb MCP is like when you plug it into your agent will have the capability of searching the hotel and listing the price of each hotel. Okay, this is MCP toolbox, and we will here is the example. We will try together. The example is in Thai. Okay. Another thing is the Line bot MCP toolbox. This one, if you plug it to your agent will be able to send the Line message to you or to everyone who be friend with your Line chatbot. It's just simple, just that. Yeah. So let's go to the demo. Okay. Of course, for double check, I will cancel and run ADK web again. But before testing out, here you can see my Airbnb travel agent. So basically, it's have the agent construction. What I told you, like it have the description, the instruction, and you see this one is tools of my agent. It consists of like Linebot MCP toolset and Airbnb toolset. So this is from the library of the MCP toolset. So when we find the MCP toolset, we just like put in the name of the MCP, and this function will get all the tool of that MCP and plug it to our chatbot. Okay. So this is the first one, Airbnb toolset, and this is the second one, Linebot MCP toolset. Okay. So for Line, you will need to provide the credential of the chatbot. Okay, the testing moment. I will go to this screen again of the ADK. And then I will select the Airbnb travel agent. And I will maybe just try to say hello first to check whether it's response. You know, every time on the demo, I'm so frustrated to broke the demo. So when I say hello, you can see this message like, hello, I'm here to help you plan your trip, because it say this because my instruction. Okay, so I will say like, I want to find room in Jakarta. Find in Jakarta for tonight. Okay, just this. So then it check with the tool, and it reasoning that when it need to call the tool, it need more information. Then the agent asks me back like, what day would you like to check in and how many guests will be with you? So I will say like 2 people, and check in next month, like 4 December. Okay. So now I think like the agent will get the enough information. Oh, it's asked me again like, do you have any preference price range? So I will say like no budget, but no budget limit. No budget limit, not me like no money. Yeah, so now it's like you can see it doing the Airbnb search for me. And with the ADK tools, like if it calling each tool, it will have like this graph to show to you. So it's asked like, I have few options. You prefer to receive online? I will say like, yes, in text, please push to me. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Oh, now it's running the function of push text message. Yes, and this is my line. You can see this is just push right here, 3:15. So this is the power of the two set together. Like the first one is Airbnb that search the hotel for you. And the second one is the line that you can connect your chatbot with your AI agent. You can control your chatbot with agent and MCP tool. It's super powerful. Like from this demo, you might see like, it just send the message. But let's think about like the piece of jigsaw, what you want to build your service. And then you will find, maybe we do the campaign manager of travel, maybe do travel agency. When you have like more set of tools, so this is the demos of the live chatbot MCP tools. I still have one more demo for you. So what we just do is like we building the agent, we connect it with two MCP toolset like Livebot MCP server and Airbnb. And this one we can build the travel agent. This is my last example, but in Thai though. Like you can have it write beautiful flex message instead of text as well. Yeah, because the tool have that capability. So another thing is that another demo of use case of MCP tool that I prepare for you is this MCP toolbox for databases. So this is totally topic change. So lastly, we build the live travel agent. But this one with the Google MCP toolbox, you can build any agent that connect to data. But I'm gonna build like data analysis agent, like to check dashboard for you and answer the sales performance for you. So, but first, like let's see the playground of the MCP toolbox for databases. You can see it can connect multiple types of database. But what we focus today is like we're gonna connect it to the Looker. Looker is a tool of like Google for data analysis to visualize and do the data. Is it gonna be good that you can build AI agent to your CEO, and your CEO will no need to ask you like, hey, what is the sales performance for this month? Hey, what is our product selling this year? So this is gonna be the future of that, because since last year we many products like startup try to build the data agent, and me as the data engineer working in the data team also like try to build this data agent, because we know it's much more easier for asking than say user like tell user, hey, can you go check dashboard? Because sometimes user they don't want to check dashboard, they want to ask data analysis. So we build the AI agent to user to ask. Let's go to the demo. So the Looker agent, the same concept. Like we just like build the agent, and when we build the agent class, we need to give it the instruction like how the agent should behave, right? And this is an instruction like you should be the retail performance analysis, and you should ask the question about like retails, like analyze sales, inventory, customer behavior, and you should like use Looker MCP tools. So here to get the exact data, I also provide the function of current date. So when I say to the agent like, can you check the sales performance today? It will know exactly the current date to get right. Another thing is the environment from the looker. So this is environment like you need to give the credential because the agent gonna check the dashboard on behalf of you, right? So you need to give it the credential like how to should log in the dashboard. And then you define the MCP toolset of the looker. It inside the TCP toolbox, so the command is a toolbox, and the argument is like looker studio. Okay, so again I will restart again, and then I will go to this, and I'll select okay, one more time. I'll select the looker data agent, and I will ask it, hey, can you check performance of product sales in each category. On maybe I want to check for last month, October. So this is the mock-up data from the Looker Studio of mine. So now you can see like because I asked is like, hey, can you check the performance of the category on the October, so it get the current date. So sale data, okay. Yes, product. I will give it more information like what category. Sales. Let's see. Okay. So right now you can start to see like my agent like start to use the Looker MCP tools to like get the data dimension, the data measurement. So this may be like the instruction also to make the agent like be able to find the data more accurately. You need to like also like provide the prompt. Okay. Sales. I will try. Sell this. Let's see. Oh, it's unable to find the data. So never mind. Like this is because the instruction prompt and is not clear. But I think you get the idea, right? Like with the tools, we can have the AI agent that access our data, and if we write the instruction well enough, the AI agent will know where to find its data, and it will like summarize that data for you. I didn't capture the result for this one. My apology, but yeah, at least you get the idea. Okay. So before ending and question, I will like get the wrap up like what my talk about today. This is what I want to like be the key takeaway for my session. Like one thing is that I want you to like keep explore on the, if you want to build AI agent, you may take a look of like multiple tools. Do you want to build on your own, or you want to use the MCP? You can mix the variety of tool to one agent, or you can like create multiple agents and let it connect together. With ADK, you can also use agent as a tool. Like, I'm a boss and I use my my colleagues to work for me, something like that. It's the concept like that. Yeah. So now when you start to use the tool more with your AI agent, like MCP tool, OpenAI tool, function tool, or agent as a tool, then concept is now changed from instruction prompt is a key to context is a key, because every information is all mixed together. You need to provide the best instruction. As well, you need to balance like the input output of the tool. If you give the agent too much of the output from the tool, sometimes it might confuse like what information it should use to answer. Or if you give the agent like very less result from the tool, then it doesn't know. Like you can see my case, like because I write the instruction not very well. So then even the tool is good, then the agent not gonna respond because it's all about like prompt context. So it's doing the agent development like agentic AI. For me, like I've been in this journey for 1 year already, and I want to be honest to you, like on the demo it might seem like super easy. But to build an agent to work in real life, I think it will take a lot of effort to make the AI not hallucinate, to make it answer the right way you want to answer. Even when you build for your organization, your legal will say something, your customer support team will say something. Like you cannot let your agent answer that way, is not polite to the customer. Something like that. So it's a long journey. So for me, it's like running a marathon, and it will keep running because the marketing of the agentic AI will keep growing and growing. So I want to encourage everyone to let's running together and keep learning. So thank you for joining my session today. Thank you very much.